Welcome childrens, this is your mentor Mrs. Mohonia. So let's continue with our chapter that is log on to SS. So for today your subtopic is types of database. Before we move on to types of database, let's recall what we have learned in our previous video. What is a database? Well, database is a collection of related information. And we have seen many examples. That was the telephone directory, then the list of the books in the library, the records maintained in the school. Fine. So moving further, types of database. Here there are two types of database. The first one is flat file database and the second one is relational database. What is a flat file database? So a flat file database refers to the data files that contain records which have a small number of fields without an structured relationship. For example, Microsoft Excel. Let's try to understand with this example. This database table is a snippet from Excel shown here on the screen. And this is a giant collection of data in which the tables and records have no relation between any other table. Well children, if you have created an Excel spreadsheet, then you have created a basic flat file database. So in this database you can see this is a single table and there are a lot of fields over here. So it's better to break this table into different tables so that we can distribute the field in each table and we can have a relation between these tables. But how? Let's try to understand the relational database. What is a relational database? Here, relational database stores the data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. So here the example for relational database is Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL and Oracle. My dear children, we have learned about database, and the database, as I have told you, it's only a collection of information, related information. But to store this information, to store this database, we need an application software. And this Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft SQL, these all are the application software where you can store your data. Microsoft Excel is an example of flat file where you can only create one single table and there is no relation between the other table. But when I talk about relational database, here we can create many tables and we can also create relation in the tables. Just look at further. Relational database depicts a relation between two or more tables. Here on this screen you can see these are three tables over here right now. There is some relation between all these three tables. How? Just see this. Course ID. If you see this course ID field is common in all the three tables. So this creates a relation between these tables. So my children, that's all for today. Let's recapitulate what we have learned till now. First was a flat file database refers to the data files that contain records which have a small number of fields without any structured relationship. And on the other hand, a relational database stores the data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. So you got the difference. In flat file there is no relational between the tables. There is only a single table. Whereas in relational database we have several tables and there is a link between these tables. So my children, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay healthy and go digital. Do subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. God bless you. Thank you.